Look at that hair though. Ah, Bebo. I got the 50s like doo-wop mop thing going on. Anyway, in other news, we stopped because of that. Look at that. That's super cool.
Bridal Veil Falls.
Super cool. What's it called?
Bridal Veil Falls.
Bridal Veil. Oh, that kind of makes sense. Does that mean that the bride's on the other side? Yeah. All right. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this somehow. This is how we do it right here. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Okay. So I actually decided to get really close to this one. It's like you can feel the steam and stuff coming off of it. Well, it's not steam, it's just spray. Spraying. They're all down there. I guess they didn't want to come up here. We're going on to the next thing. Seems like if you want a lot of nature, come out to Alaska because nature. Also, I have no idea how I got up here because it's really slippery. Ugh. I'm gonna keep this on the way down just to see if I fall or something. Like I said last time, I gotta keep a record. You knew what I was doing. What? Oh crap. It's like really slippery here. Oh. Look at these flowers. Cool. Oh, cool. Alright, still making my way down. On my way up, I lost my shoe. It's funny because I don't know if you can hear any of this. And I'm talking to you like you can, so hopefully when I get back and edit this, you'll be able to hear it. That'd be good, right? Alright, I made it. Uneventful. Except for the flowers, that were cool. Alright. Back to the road. Bye-bye. Back to the road. Love you.